Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So actually since morning I'm making some space into my computers. This is one of my workshop laptop and I have SSD 1 TB SSD drive into this laptop. So but since morning actually I had 200 GB was occupied by some unknown software and I couldn't even find it. I actually found it finally. I'm very good finding the stuff. So I use Wondershare Filmora to edit my videos, and what I found actually 200 GB was, so here in the Wondershare Filmora in the file we have preference. In the preference we have media cache. So this proxy file was actually using 200 GB from my SSD drive and it was too much actually. So if you can clear this and you'll find a lot of space. If you are Wondershare Filmora user, you must check the settings. So in media cache you'll find proxy files. I'm still using 9 almost 10 GB because earlier I was editing a video. So these are the proxy files from that project. But anyway, so you must check out the settings to make some space into your computer. So this is media cache from Wondershare Filmora. Please check out and make some space for yourself and let me know. That's all for now. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.